wake up, sweetie pie, and let's talk, and maybe we'll dance again.
We only have a little window of time on this earth, even if it seems like a long time. This is a 94-year-old couple who've been together since they were 13. The woman has serious dementia, but becomes lucid for a few moments to say goodbye to her husband. At the end of their lives, they're not talking about the houses or the cars that they bought, the jewelry, the clothes, the career success. They're looking into each other's eyes and wishing they had just a little more time together. Make the most of what you've got and realize the love in your life is all that really matters.
Do you hear me? I love you. Do you hear me?
You know, if you're feeling sorry about yourself, you just gotta get out there and try. If you're alone and you're looking for someone to spend your time with, go out. You never know. Maybe you'll meet somebody. Maybe you'll meet somebody with a lot in common. Technology is making this more and more possible every day. No one has any excuse to stay at home. Get out there and find a match that's fit for you. And don't be afraid to dance, even if you need a little help. Could there be a more emblematic and symbolic representation of trying to maintain patriotism in the world today? This skydiver with a massive American flag dropping into a Virginia Tech football game catches an Israeli wind and is blown hard into the Jumbotron. Then dangles there helplessly, thinking, why did this happen? I have a lot of respect for people who commit to the bit, who know their role and stick to it. This guy is singing at some kind of a wedding or a birthday party when a herd of wild cattle storm the stage and almost stampede him to death. But does he let that stop him from finishing the song? Hell no. Be like this guy. Commit. See it through. This is footage from a clothing factory in India. The workers are being forced to wear these head-mounted cameras which record every motion they make throughout the day, how the fabric is handled, how they work the needle, how the production flows. This is all being fed into AI to train robotics to take their jobs. I can't help but wonder, what are people gonna do once robotics does everything for us? Or maybe not for us, but instead of us. How will billions of people make enough money to survive, to eat, to have a roof over their heads? Are we going to depend on the AI companies to provide this for us? And if so, what if they want to take it away one day? What if it's just easier to get rid of us? I think the most important thing a person can do going forward is to claim your essential right to exist, to work, to contribute. We don't have to be a part of a system that wants to eradicate us. This is iPhone footage taken by astronaut Reed Wiseman on the Artemis 2 mission around the moon. That's the Earth setting behind the moon, like we're used to seeing a sunset. I guess this is fascinating because up until now, any footage of the moon or space had to be taken by some kind of NASA-built, incredibly advanced camera shot up into space on a rocket. This is an iPhone. We carry these in our pocket, and someone just captured the view of Earth setting behind the moon with it. I know that we're used to seeing novel things every day now with the internet, to the point where nothing really surprises us, from UFOs and aliens to worldwide pandemics and World War III. But despite all of the bad news happening seemingly all the time, every day, everywhere, all coming through this same device, I find something about this incredibly inspirational, like we're at the beginning of something very new and exciting. And maybe something new and exciting is exactly what this whole planet needs to pull ourselves out of this miasma of constant war and infighting. We have a purpose. We have planets to go live and die on. We have things to explore and things to discover. When in doubt, we always can just look up and out.